So what if the simplest way to make a subject pop is already right in front of you? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Color is one of the fastest ways to grab attention. It's emotional, immediate, and impossible to ignore when used well. A scene filled with subtle tonal colors can look beautiful and harmonious. Muted greens, soft blues, earthy browns, it can feel calm and balanced. But if you introduce one bold, different color into that frame, everything changes dramatically. Suddenly you have a subject. Think about a red coat in snow, a bright yellow umbrella in a grey city, a vibrant blue door set into a sandstone wall. Your brain locks onto that immediately. And here's the key, it's not just eye-catching, it's story-driven. That different color feels important, it feels deliberate, it feels like it really matters. So when you are composing your next shot, ask yourself one simple question. What's the color that makes my subject unmistakable? Remember, it doesn't necessarily have to be loud, it just has to be different from its surroundings. And if you want to go deeper into building stronger, more intentional photos, make sure you watch episode 4 of the Ultimate Checklist series here, where we break all this down step by step. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.